This video will give you a brief introduction on how to edit assignments in the Research Project Calculator. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you're logged in. So in the top right hand corner you'll want to click on Log In and then log into the system, and then here it will let you know when you are logged in. So if you want to make an assignment and edit it, you can do it this way. So title your assignment whatever you're looking for. Oops. And then you choose the start date and then when it is due by clicking on the calendar. So let's say it's due 1 month from today. Then you can choose what type of assignment it is. So if you want people to give an oral presentation, you can click on that radio button. And then you want to just click Create Assignment. On the next page now, here is the basic Research Project Calculator template for people doing assignments where they're giving an oral presentation. On the left-hand side, you see the information that the student will see, and on the right-hand side then there's information for you as a teacher, some things you might want to do, like create a rubric for this assignment. Now, if you want to edit and add things to this, you want to go to the top of the page and click on Edit Assignment. You then can see all of the steps are here. You have these arrows if you want to move a step up or down, or if you want to delete a whole step, or if you want to insert a new step after this step, you click the plus button. So those tools can move steps around. So each one of these steps has one of those tools. But if you want to edit then the information about each step, you want to edit right here. So here's what the student sees. So this is what they should be doing under the question step. But what you might want to do is add the whole assignment here. So you can click on Edit, and then you actually can edit this whole thing. You have a little toolbar you can use to add text, to format the text, to underline it, make it bold. You can even add links and things. So you can write whatever you want here and go on and on. You can actually make this really long and add a lot of information. So you could add the whole entire assignment here. So our assignment was Civil War in Minnesota. So then you could describe the assignment, and then all these steps are here. Now, you could also, take out any of these links. So if you want to take one out, you can edit anything that is here. So you really can make it your own. And then you just hit Save Changes to save the changes. So now that first step has the text in there that I wrote, along with some information that was already there. So you can do that for each one of these steps. You can just click the Edit button and edit any of these steps. Now, another thing you might want to do is that you can complete, or you can change when this part of the step should be complete. The Research Project Calculator just kind of takes their own percentages in for when they think each step could be complete. But if you think students should spend a lot of time on a certain step, like this one, it gives them 3 days to complete it, 10% of the time. If you think that should be more, you can change it. You can select the calculator and say actually they should maybe have a week on this. So now they have 7 days to complete it. And then further down it should have edited all of these other steps too. So you can see it automatically edited the other steps because we still are just at 30 days. But if you edit one step, you might want to go through and edit when the other steps are due as well. So you have a lot of options to add your own text, to change when the days are, to completely delete a step, add a new step, or move these steps all around. So you really can edit a lot of information here. Now, before you click on Done Editing, one thing you want to make sure to do is that if you are creating this to give to students, you have to make sure that they can view the assignment. So you have to make sure to check this box, and that allows others to view the assignment, and then here's a link right to this assignment. You also can check this box to send yourself email reminders for when each step milestone is coming up. So you could then alert students that certain steps are going to be due. So you can also check that box, and then whatever email you log in with is the email that you will get reminders at. So after you have the link set, then you can click on Done Editing. And then the assignment is here and the link is here. And this is the link that you would then send to students and it would open up the assignment. So let me just copy this and we can log out so you can see what it would look like if you sent it to students. So you would send students the link and here's what they would see. So they would see the parts of this that you edited, and then it clearly has the edited time frame for this step as well. So that's how you go about creating an assignment in the Research Project Calculator and editing what is already there. The next video is going to show how students can save assignments and take their own notes and things using the Research Project Calculator.